Where I'm sitting behind me is empty space right now. And this empty space is going to become a home away from home for me and a lot of my colleagues. My name is Bijan Ahmadian. I am the founder and one of the lawyers at Bijan Law. Our practice is different from other law firms, and we have to be different in order to compete. For example, when you look at our logo, there's a color of salmon, and that's because salmon is disruptive. Salmon swims against the current. And we want it to be positively disruptive, doing things differently than others do.
One of the core ideas behind this space was that it's not just a law office, it's also a place for Bijan and his colleagues to bring together people in community.
What we're trying to do is differentiate the space from other law offices by creating a different feature that will draw you into the space through the millwork that Romney's designing, and creating different layouts that create privacy but openness at once.
Bruce Hayden from Human Studio brought me in on this project to do an installation that traveled throughout Bijan's law firm. And he laid out a rough form, and it was informed by the calligraphy of the Persian text. From there, I looked at different words that represent law, like fidelity, trust, community, family, all of these things that are the essence of law, and found a lot of commonalities and used those to further inform those shapes. For this project, we decided to use North American black walnut, which is a very sustainable hardwood. It's a beautiful, rich color. It fit with the design we were working with.
The millwork comes along the exterior of the space, and it's a more inviting, less typical way to lay out an office.
Bijan gave us a totally different challenge. Let's give the view and the light to the most important people in the room, which are his clients. So this is an absolute disruption of the traditional hierarchy of offices, and we think it's going to work really well.
Our office space has been designed so that it gives a sense of community to us who work here and to our clients.
Community and conversation are also central to innovation. It's absolutely clear that with all the advanced technologies in the world, people talking to each other is still the source of all the great ideas. So we designed the front entry area, the lobby area, not just to be the place where people sit and wait for their meetings, but also to be able to open up to the meeting spaces so that when you have a larger group, you could have lectures here, you could have parties here, you could have events where people are actually having advanced conversation.
This young and ambitious firm is not the only one that is forward-looking, but its signature and its purpose is to be realistic about those challenges and creative in addressing them in real time. It's a great honor for me to be here, and I look forward to further conversations tonight. Thank you very much.
Thank you. It's going to be a place of gathering for our clients, for people that we do business with. It's going to be a place that people will go to knowing that there is somebody they can reach to there when they have a problem. It's going to be a fun, dynamic, it's going to be a vibrant place, and I am really looking forward to welcoming everyone here.